So over the festive period, South Wales Police will be looking at targeted activity, increased visibility in our towns and cities, and specific operations targeting antisocial behaviour, violence, shoplifting and drink driving.
What we see in the city centre is a huge influx of members of the public visiting both the day and the nighttime economies. So for several years now, Cardiff have implemented Operation Mistletoe. Operation Mistletoe is a police-led operation that brings together all our partnership agencies, from street pastors, taxi marshals, alcohol treatment centre on behalf of the NHS, the student safety bus, who all come together to work and help safeguard members of the public in the city centre, making it a more attractive place to visit.
So Op Limit runs throughout December, so we're right in the middle of that campaign now. We're working tirelessly to try and apprehend, remove drink drivers, drug drivers from our roads. We're out there doing enforcement action, we're doing roadside stops, and we're just trying to basically intercept in marked, unmarked cars to deter people from drink and drug driving over the festive period. So I've been on roads policing for 7 years. I think our demand has increased year on year. So there's definitely more of it going on. I think people don't feel that they're going to get caught. Now we've got officers on duty who are specifically targeting drink and drug driving now over the festive period. The bottom line is we're out there. There's every chance you're going to get caught. We could be waiting just around the corner. You know, for the risk that you're going to take, it's not worth the consequence, because if we catch you, not only will you lose your licence, you potentially lose your job, which is then your livelihood, your home life then has a knock-on effect from bills and stuff like that. It just spirals very, very quickly. I would say if you're going to drink at all, just don't drive. It's just not worth the risk.
So on behalf of South Wales Police, I'd like to wish everyone a very happy, joyous and peaceful Christmas. I understand that Christmas isn't something that everyone celebrates, and not all people look forward to Christmas, particularly if people are feeling lonely, anxious or in fear or in grief. It's not always a time that people want to celebrate. So I would say please look out for those around you, for those who are vulnerable, those who are at risk of harm, and keep a lookout for those people who are elderly and in need of company and maybe feeling slightly isolated as well. But I would say if you are celebrating, please do so responsibly. Enjoy the festive period, and I would just like to say for everyone to stay safe this holiday period. Thank you.